another quick walkthrough of what the 10-inch turbine, Tesla turbine, is going to look like here soon. So we got the main disc stack. I just got it as a solid piece here, and then the end plates, and then these are the duct extensions. You'll kind of see what was kind of the purpose of them being in there. You can see through. From there, I'm gonna put on the first case piece, backside, and I'll just slowly assemble that and stack it on up. That will get a bunch of the thin discs, but I just put it as one solid piece. The last piece is here. Put on that casing. So I made it so that I can do these extra, axial labyrinth seal in here. I don't have it shown just yet, but I'll have that in there soon. But from here, the casing will then continue to extend out like this. And it gets the duct, and then I've got a final one that goes for the house of the bearing on it. And that will just get mirrored on both sides. Exhaust down the middle, and if you haven't seen my variable nozzle videos, you'll be able to see how those operate. And intakes here, and then this is the variable nozzle that you can adjust. I've got a lot more still to come. There will be a really cool base unit that I'm building for it that will allow for the exhaust to be ducted together. Very, very similar to the build that Tesla had in the Tesla Museum. The iconic one that everyone's seen, the picture that's kind of cut open. But from here, I'm going to end up having an extension of housing for the generators to go into. So they'll be on, one generator will sit on each side, and they will actually be in their own enclosure all within, and it'll have metal connections going through the casing. So because the little brushless generators that I've got are all waterproof, and so that means I can keep them all inside, and they're well within the ability of going within the temperature range of the cryophorus and the turbine we're going to be running right now. But big things coming, step by step, slowly getting there.